welcome to my fashion era. Today I am entering the world of fashion and styling with these Dress to Impress mystery models. I have 7 of these capsules to open up, and each capsule contains 8 mystery items. In each capsule there is a mystery model, a top, some hair, an accessory, a bottom, a pair of shoes, a beautiful looking theme card, and some DLC for the Dress to Impress Roblox game. So I'm going to open these dolls up, create some different looks, and then I'm going to have some very serious fashion judges judge my looks. Will they be impressed? Before we find out, I just want to say a huge thank you to Banda Toys for sending me all these mystery capsules. If you see anything that you like inside these capsules and you want to go get your own, they're actually out now at Big W, Myer, Toymate, and Mr. Toys Toyworld. And if you're in New Zealand, you can get them at the Warehouse and Farmers. Alright, let's go find out if I can dress to impress. So I'm going to start by opening up one model at a time. I'll dress her up in all the pieces that she comes with. And then at the end, I'll do a little mix and match. And I'll show the new outfits to my fashion judge. And we'll see what she thinks. So let's get into this. I really love the Gold Star capsules. They're so pretty. I accidentally ripped it, but we get a look at all the different models and collector cards we can get. And oh my goodness, even more cute packaging inside. Look at all these little packages we get to open up. So we start with our mystery doll, of course. Who's it gonna be? This is our mystery doll. This looks like the top and shoes. I'm excited to see them. Okay, we've got a bunch of pink, beautiful, a gorgeous pink top, and some cute little pink heels. This will have the hair, an accessory, a bag, and what is that? A skirt. Out you all come. This is the hair. Oh my gosh, she has pink hair. Look how amazing that looks. Then we have a little white mini skirt. I probably shouldn't have put the shoes on first, but I was excited. All right, mini skirt on. Now you can put your shoes back on. Oh my gosh, look at this bow. That is so cute. Where do I fit that? Okay, so if we look closely in the back, there's a little groove. I think I should just be able to slide this in here. Oops. That is so adorable. And then the last thing she needs is this little heart bag. Put that over the shoulder. Oh, it even says Dress to Impress on it. You may stand on the runway now. What a queen. She's even posing. Then I do want to open up this final package, which is the mystery art card. I'm a big fan of collectible cards, so I am very excited to see this. Oh, look at that. Look at that holographic. This is just gorgeous. Then on the back, it has the Dress to Impress logo. Back to the front of the card, we can see that the name of this outfit is Tropical Summer. Thank you, Miss Tropical Summer, for showing us your outfit. Let's move on to the next one. All right, gonna take this one here as the second mystery model. I'll try not to rip this one so I can use it as a checklist. So we've got Tropical Summer. Let's see what else we're gonna open up. Is the background any different? No, the background looks the same. I'm gonna start this time by opening the top and shoes and see if I can guess which doll it is. Okay, we've got pink shoes and a pink top. I'm guessing this is gonna be Sweet Romance. This one should really give it away. Oh yes, that does look like Sweet Romance. Let's free the doll. What was that? This little piece of plastic just popped out. I must have dropped the first one. Oh, you can put it in here so it's like a little stand to help your model pose on the runway. How cute. Oh, this one already has black gloves. Now she's got a pink and black top, and we've got this pink and black ruffled skirt. So cute, and they look so good with these gloves she already has on. Let's give her her matching hair. Pink and black again. So gorgeous. Time for a cute little bag. Oh, they have matching bags. That's so cute. Outfit number 2 is now complete, and she is looking fabulous. Now, the one thing we did not open is the card. I'm being really careful not to cut the card. Open it up. I've got the Dress to Impress on the back, and then boom. It's accidentally upside down. Boom. This is Sweet Romance, another absolutely gorgeous girl in a gorgeous outfit. We can now tick Sweet Romance off our list. Time for mystery model number 3. Let's open this one first. Can I tell who it is from one accessory? Ooh, this is my first pair of pants. Oh my gosh. Does that mean we got one of the special ones? Because it's in like a special box. Oh, cute. This is a little book accessory. Here is the hair and the cute little bow. Then we've got a white top and some black shoes. Now we just need to get the actual model out. Oh, does she have glasses? Oh, that's so cute. Now, this virtual prize looks slightly different from the other two because it has 5 stars up here. I'm curious to see if the card is going to be different as well. Okay, is it a special card? Let's flip it and oh my goodness, what is this? That is not what I was expecting at all. Time for Lena to get dressed. Such a cute outfit. And we need the hair, a bow on the back. Now, how do I actually get her to hold this? Can I just place it there? Oh, that was easy. Except she's holding it upside down. Okay, there we go. The Lena doll is complete. I wonder if any of my remaining mystery capsules will have the matching one, Lana. Honestly though, it looks like if they join those books, something very dark and mysterious might happen. So maybe we don't even want to get Lana. We're gonna have a slight camera angle change, and here is the 4th mystery doll. Our 4th model is going to be wearing some yellow shoes. So we have a cute little yellow pastel top and a pair of yellow heels. Then in this bag there is a matching yellow bag. I love all the little stitch marks. That's so cute. Cute little pastel striped skirt. Oh, I'm not even really sure what this is. Maybe like a leg warmer or arm warmer? Is there another one? There is indeed. Okay, let's have a look. So we've got Stardust Softy, and those are definitely arm warmers. Come on, Stardust Softy, come out and put on your cute outfit. This outfit is really giving me summer vibes, which makes me sad because it's winter where I live. One shoe, a second shoe. The arm warmers are so cute. One of my favorite accessories I've opened. And she's got this little bag. Backpack's on, ready for a summer adventure. That means her outfit is complete. I love this one. Let's give her a cute little pose. She is strutting her stuff. Now, will this work if I balance her up here? Oh, it did work. Let's just move the camera up a bit so we can see her. And I nearly forgot to open the card. The back of the card. And why do I always do these upside down? What a cutie. Stardust Softy. I love the vibes. So, there's 5 dolls that I don't have. And I've still got 3 mystery models to open. I'd really love all of them. But I am a big fan of Chic Academia. Also Y2K Pop Star, Dreamy Sparkle, and Gala Girl. That's 4 I really want, and I only have 3. I also haven't got Lovely Valentine or Lana, and I'm a bit scared what might happen if I do get Lana. Please be Chic Academia. I just love how these stack. That's such a cute way to display your dolls. Okay, will this be Chic Academia? The first item is going to be shoes. It's a pink shoe. It's definitely not Chic Academia. This might even be a double because that's the exact same shoe. No, we got our first double. Well, that's a shame, but hey, maybe it'll help in the mix and match section later in the video. Now, since I already have this doll, let's still make this capsule opening exciting and scratch off the DLC code. I'm gonna get out my laptop, open up Dress to Impress, and see what this code unlocks. So I've got Dress to Impress open here. I'm just gonna click on the third bubble here that says codes, and then we click up here where it says DLC codes, type in the bit we just scratched off, and click redeem. What is our prize gonna be? Ooh! They've got a beautiful face to add into our looks, and with this, maybe I'll finally win for the first time. Well, I ended up coming 6th, but hey, that's better than last place. Alrighty, enough of playing the game. Let's get back to opening up the mystery models. I have 2 models left to open. Fingers crossed for that Chic Academia model. Shall we try the shoe test again? Please don't be pink again. Oh, yay! Not pink shoes. It's a black one. And look at that. It's a different kind of black than the Lana one. Could it be the matching secret doll Lena? No, it's not Lena. She has white shoes. Oh my gosh. It's going to be Chic Academia or Gala Girl. And judging on the top, that is Gala Girl. I was hoping for Chic Academia, but this is really cute too. Let's get Gala Girl out of here so she can put on the cute top. Oh, she has some long socks on. Or I guess you could even say they're tights. Super cute little corset. We'll have to put on the skirt first before the shoes, so let's get that out. He's got a little white and black mini skirt. Oh, how awesome does that outfit look with the tights? And we'll put her shoes on. Very cute. She's gonna have some brown hair with a black headband. Oh, it looks like she has arm warmers too. Arm warmers are on. Hair's looking a bit crooked. I've just noticed she's also got a black necklace on. That's cute. And then the final piece of her outfit is one of these little heart bags. It's got the DTI logo and is in black and white to match her outfit. Now that is a cool doll. Then let's get her runway. Gonna set up this little stand. She's already kind of posing, but we'll clip her leg in there so she doesn't fall over. You lost your bag. How did that happen? Okay, there we go. Oh, that looks even cooler with it hanging a bit lower. And then the final thing to do is open up the collectible card. It is backwards and upside down. Oh, that is gorgeous. I love how you can see all the details like the bow and the ruffles and her little necklace. You can even see the DTI on her bag. Okay, final Dress to Impress model of the day. Mostly hoping for Chic Academia again, but would also love Y2K Popstar, Dreamy Sparkle, Lovely Valentine, or Lana. I do have 5 different dolls now, so the chances of getting another double are quite high. Then again, there are 5 new dolls, so we're probably looking at about a 50-50 chance of getting a new one versus a double. The runway is ready for the final look. Will it be someone new, or are we gonna have another outfit repeater? Let's do a final shoe test. Please don't be pink. Oh no, that looks pink. Oh wait, it's red. I don't have any dolls with red shoes. I think this is gonna be that Valentine's one. Yes, she is the only one with a red outfit. That is so exciting. Another new doll to end off the video. Please go to your dressing room to get ready for the runway. First of all, she's got this really cute red tank top with a love heart on it. Then if I open up this big one, oh my goodness, lots of different pieces here. So this is our second pair of pants of the day. This is a really nice pair of white pants with a black belt with a little logo on it. Slide into those pants there. I love the coordination here with the red shoes matching the red top. Then she's also got the coolest red hair. It always looks so amazing when you finally put the hair on. And her accessories are a little different to what we've seen. So she has a cute little bag. This bag is actually made out of fabric rather than plastic. And then she really needs this stand. Now she won't fall over. And then her final accessory is this cute little book. It looks a lot like the one that Lana over here has. However, it does not have any scary symbols on it. So we can either give that to her to hold. She's doing some reading and some shopping at the same time. Or I'm thinking we can probably fit this in the little bag. Look how cute that is. And she can carry around her bag and book with her wherever she goes. Just look at all these different dolls. How beautiful. I don't want to forget to open this last beautiful card though. Another gorgeous card. She's got her bag over her shoulder here. Now it's time for the final stage of the video. Let's mix and match all these outfits and see what we can come up with. Okay, first new outfit complete. What do we think? I think she looks pretty fabulous, personally. I was kind of going for Rainbow Explosion for this one, but she actually looks kind of cute. I've kind of merged two outfits here because these go together and these go together. It actually still looks kind of good. I do feel like Lena should be wearing some red and pink to match her book. Now she can practice her witchcraft in secrecy. It just looks like she's into astrology. Alright, what have we even got left? This actually looks really good. The pink and the black matches the tights and the necklace and the headband really well. This is a bit of a leftovers outfit, but it doesn't look too bad. This outfit may be a bit questionable, but it's all the pieces we had left. Well, there you have it. 7 new outfits. And what does our fashion judge think? Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. Thanks again to Bandit Toys for sending me all of these. If you want to pick up your own Dress to Impress models, here are all the stores that you can find them at. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!